Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and good morning everyone. Today I want to share you about Incident Prevention Chapter 3. Before I start, I want to introduce myself and my matrix number. My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Azhar. My matrix number is 01 DKM 21F 2008. In this chapter, I want all my friends should know about incident prevention. First of all, I will share you about concept of incident. In concept of incident, I will tell you about definition of incident and accident. Then my friend will share you about principle of incident prevention and recognize cause of incident. In recognize cause of incident, my friend will tell you about types of incident, three models of accident theory, three basic cause of incident. Then my other friend will share you about incident prevention course and accident prevention program. My other friend will tell you about design costs, operational costs, safeguarding of the future costs in incident prevention course. Now I will share you about concept of incident. First, incident. Incident is an undesired event which under slightly different circumstances could have resulted in harm to people, damage to property, and or loss of process. The concept of this incident more like an event that caused people attention. For example, in 1985, there was an ambush on Lahad Datu. That was a serious robbery and random shooting that happened in 23 September 1985. There are 15 to 20 foreign pirates land on the Lahad Datu, Malaysia. They shot at random people and killing at least 20 people and injuring 11 others. They also stole some $200,000 from a local bank. This is an example of an accident that has happened and has become a history in Malaysia. Second, accident. Accident is Accident is undesired event that result in harm to people, damage to property, or loss of property. Accident is a more of an event that takes human life, such as car accident and so on. For an example, on 4 August 2020, a large amount of ammunition stored at the port of Beirut in the Lebanon exploded and causing at least 218 deaths, 7,000 injured, 15 billion damaged property, and leaving an estimated 300,000 people homeless. In addition, near miss incident which by chance did not result in injury or loss or damage. A near miss, near hit or close call is an unplanned event that has the potential to cause but does not actually result in human injury, environmental or economic damage, or an interruption in normal operation. OSHA defined a near miss and as an incident in which no property was damaged and no personal injury was sustained, but where, given a slight shift in time or position, damage or injury easily could have occurred. Near miss also may be referred to as near accident, accident precursus, injury-free event, and the case of moving object near collision.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Zulkifli. My registration number is 01 DKM 21F 2007. Okay, I'm going to present my slide that is Principle of Incident Prevention. Firstly, legal reason. OSHA 1994 specifically requires employers to prevent accidents and others. Secondly, moral issue. Incident cause suffering not only for the individual workers involved but also to their families. Employers should then willingly cause suffering to its workers and also the community from where it gets its income from. Today, workers and the public are aware of their rights and may not allow employers to exploit them as they did before. Lastly, business reasons. Incidents lower the productivity and therefore profitability of an organization. Incidents can involve organization with litigation which may not only cost the organization its profits but also its image. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Zulkifli. My registration number is 01 DKM 21F 2007. Okay, now I'm going to present my slide. My subtopic is Principles of Accident Prevention. Accident prevention is an essential part of a good management and workmanship. In this subtopic, we have to know that the creation of a safe place of work. Secondly, the development and operation of safe working practice. Next, ensuring the personal safety of all employees. Lastly, we should reduce employee injury and death rates. Okay, next, the causes of incident. First, unsafe acts of people, human factors. There are a few reasons of why people injuries because of their behavior. First, they forgetting to nail down a joist. Secondly, taking their mask off to talk to a colleague and then forgetting to put it back down. They also have three unsafe acts of people. First, environmental. People's attitudes, skill, habit, and personalities. Second, organizational and management. Work factors influencing individual and group behaviors, including positive or negative reinforcement. Lastly, job factors. Work factors involving tasks, person's physical capabilities and mental capacities. Too boring and they make mistakes. Too stressful, they make mistakes. Then, my third subtopic is types of incident workplace risk. There are two types of incident workplace risk. First, human factor risk or unsafe act. Failure to follow instruction of safe work procedure. Second, cleaning, oiling, adjusting, or preparing equipment that is moving electrically, energized, or pressurized. People should have some duty to ensure that workplace always clean. People also sitting for a long periods also one of the risks even though it rarely happen. Okay, we go through the next subtopic. Unsafe condition. Most unsafe or hazardous condition can be grouped into one of the following classifications. There are three types of unsafe condition we have to know. It is everyone's responsibility to be mindful of hazard in the workplace and minimize risk of harm. First of the unsafe condition is biological. It is including hazards, viruses, insects, and others. Secondly, chemical. Skin irritation and blindness might happen if we use some tools without any briefings. Lastly, physical. Something that might affect when touching them, including height, noise, and radiation.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Alif Shah bin Muhammad Daniel Shah. My registration number is 01 DKM 21F 2009. I'm going to talk about Heinrich domino theory. Heinrich domino theory is a theory of accident causation and control developed by Heinrich that purports that all accidents, wherever in residence or workplace environment, are the result of chain event. For example, injuries are caused by an accident. Accidents are caused by unsafe acts and conditions. Unsafe acts and conditions are caused by the fault of person. Fault of person caused by personal flaws such as violent temper and nervousness. Figure shown domino effect in the cause of incidents. Lack of management control might be a root cause of an incident, and an immediate cause would trigger an incident. If the incident is severe, it would impact on loss of property. My next subtopic is bird loss causation model. Injuries are caused by an accident. For every accident, there are immediate causes that are related to operational errors. Operational errors are only symptoms of deeper underlying or basic causes related to management errors, and the absence of system of effective control permit the existence of factors referred as basic causes. The theory of multiple causation is that these factors combine together in random fashion, causing accidents. So during accident investigation, There is a need to identify as many of these causes as possible, rather than just one for each stage of the domino sequence. The three components of causes of accident is person, machine, and environment. My last topic is incident prevention costs. There are three types of incident prevention costs, that is design costs, operational costs, planning and consequence limiting costs. Design cost is the cost required installing machine guards to protect workers, while operational cost is the cost of running safety department, such as training and protective clothing and so on. The last cost is planning and consequence limiting costs, safeguarding of the future costs such as cost of environmental sampling and cost of safety audit. That's all from Group 3. Thank you for listening.